At the Mini Science Center, our hands-on models help students visualize scientific concepts and build deeper understanding, making learning an experience, not just a lesson. This week, our teacher is explaining the shape of Earth due to rotation model, demonstrating how Earth's rotation causes it to bulge at the equator and flatten at the poles, giving it an oblate spheroid shape. Through this interactive model, students can see, touch, and truly understand what textbooks can only describe. This hands-on learning approach not only strengthens concept clarity, but also encourages students to actively participate in the learning process, sparking curiosity, building confidence, and turning every young mind into a scientist.